and welcome to Will It Microwave? This is experiment number 3. We're microwaving cherry. Funny, huh? How much do you think it should be in there? A minute.
No, a minute is gonna explode. Trust me.
3 minutes. Yeah, 30 seconds. Okay, it's in the microwave. This is my microwave. His name is Pooh. Okay, can you see
seconds.
Time? See what I'm doing? Look, I'll show you.
Here, time cook.
Oh, what was clear? Oh, time cook. 3 seconds.
0. Let's say we take it out when it starts oozing, because I can see it a little.
Tell me if you can see it.
We can already hear it oozing. Turn it off.
Oh crap, did you hear that? It explode.
What happened?
It's going
Did it ooze?
I don't know. What happened? See,
It just oozed a little. It oozed a little.
Let's leave it in there.
I see it. Oh.
Okay, but if it starts like,
What's that noise?
I don't know. I think it's best that we turn it off. What do you think?
I don't know.
I was smoking.
Oh.
I didn't see what happened.
Holy crap.
I see.
Don't touch it, Connor.
Can you go and get it out of the microwave? I just want to...
You're not even video
I see it. I
microwave,
wanna
Connor.
see
Do you see it? Oh, that's crap, Dad.
I want to see it.
And I think that's a bad idea. I've always wanted warm fruit,
Horrible idea.
but I guess I'll have to have cold fruit.
In the microwave.
See you next time.